up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to keep working on the ZX10R. Lots of progress has been made obviously. I know she looks a little bit rough, but she's getting there. The wheels have been painted as you've seen in the last video and they turned out great. Zero complaints whatsoever. We're just waiting on the new tires to come back in so we can throw it on this bad boy. I painted all these plastic pieces in the previous video. As you can tell, they're now installed. To be sincere, it's a 50-50 for me. I hope it would have turned out better and like kind of look good, but I'm not 100% convinced it is. So you guys let me know in the comment what you think. This was painted. Obviously all of this was painted. And this was painted too. All of this was painted. They do have a textured finish. I was not really trying to get rid of that because that would take lots of sanding to do. And obviously I was just not down to do that. So it is installed. As the bike sits, I have everything needed to completely put the front end back together, but I couldn't help myself, so I had to go cause myself more headache. This is what I'm talking about. I love the ZX10R, especially the 5th gen, but I gotta tell you, the dash on this thing is hideous. It looks like an old school Casio calculator. That's what it reminds me of. Compared to the ZX6, the dash on the ZX6R looks way better compared to the ZX10R. Yeah, I don't fancy that much. So now you see my dilemma, and I had to fix that because the ZX10R stock dash does not look good by any means necessary. And when you look online for options or upgrades for ZX10R dash, they are bloody expensive. So I had to figure out an alternative. I found this online and I decided to purchase it and see if I could make something work. So it's a universal motorcycle dash, nothing fancy. I think it was derived from one of the BMWs or Ducatis, I'm not sure. But this is what it looks like. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the dash, that's the big secret. It looks good. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to figure this out. Definitely not going to be done in this video. But just so you guys know, this is what I'm going to be working on behind the scene. And if I'm able to make it work, I'll be making a video about it. Alright guys, now we're going to be replacing the switch. As you can see, the stock one is in really rough shape. So this new replacement one should look much better. Let's get down to work. So this is what's going on over here right now. I'm trying to swap out the switch that was really damaged over here. The problem is that the wiring harness, I just found out, goes all the way underneath here. So the tank, airbox, all of that has to come out. Not really looking forward to doing that. So alternative plan was to swap out the casing, just the plastic pieces. But then the problem is that the stock one won't go in the new one. So I would have to splice in the new one's harness into the stock one to make it work. So that's the plan right now. Hopefully that works. I mean, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, but let's get down to business and see if we can make it work. Just like that, everything is loosely connected. Let's try it out. So that's good. Nothing. I think that's a good sign. It's working. So let's button all of this up and close it up. What's up guys, it's another day in the garage. Look at these wheels guys, it turned out great. Really love how it came out. There's absolutely no flaws with the paint job on these wheels. Phenomenal. And it matches the gold because I took the piece and I had it scanned and I came out with a perfect match. Super happy about that. That is ready to get thrown on the bike, but we're waiting on the new tires. Unfortunately, that's not yet in. So in the meantime, we're gonna prep these tires the way I like to do it to make this easy. Alright guys, the idea of this is to heat the tires up so it can make the tire removal and install very easy. So you put it in a box, seal it all up. I'm gonna put a heat gun right there and just heat it up for about half an hour, give or take, and then begin the tire removal. As to why that's baking in there, we have some packages over here. We're gonna unbox it, set it up, and get it ready. Just like that, this tire changer, bead breaker, whole shenanigan is all set up. Took a little bit longer than expected because I was trying to make sure everything lined up perfectly. So that's good. The rear stands are actually really good for the price I paid. I thought it was going to be shitty, but it's actually really solid. Even better than what I currently have on my bike. So that's super good. So we have some more parts in. Super excited about this because some of this is going to be awesome. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. These are not very awesome, but we do need it to complete the tire change, so okay guys, so this is a tire balancer kit. It pretty much has everything you need to balance the tire after you install it. So let's set it up. That way we can be ready to balance those tires when we put them on. Alright guys, it's like Christmas up in here. Everything is just coming in front, left, center. Tires are now in, super excited about that. So we have everything we need to completely mount these tires, balance them and trim on the motorcycle. Let's get to it. After all the packages that came in today, I think I'm almost broke. Like I said earlier, the tire changer and bead breaker, that's all set up. This is the tire spoons that just got delivered. I had my wife pick up this noodle so I can wrap it up here to protect the tires from getting damaged, because those are just newly painted and I don't want any scuffs on it. So I'm gonna cut this all up in here, mount it all around there, tape it, secure it, make sure it protects the tires. The wheel balancer is all set up. I like that it has this little leveling thing up over here. That's good. Tires are in the box over there. Super happy about that. But the best package of all is in here. You guys drop your guesses right now. What you think is in this box. No cheating, just drop your guesses. I'm gonna open it. All right, guys, I'm super excited to open this because I know what's in here, but you guys don't, so let's see. Wow. Every time I open this, I just get happy. I just get super happy. I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I just get happy. Don't matter. You can obviously tell it's a helmet because it says X-Lite on it, but it is the sickest helmet I own till date. And this was purchased by my wife for my birthday, so super happy about that. Thanks, babe. I love you. Super happy. Super, super, super happy. Oh my. Oh. What? Damn, son. Every time I look up at this, it puts a smile on my face. I couldn't tell it. Super sick. Love it, love it, love it. Oh man, and it's so light. I think it's even lighter than my LS2. Love it. Without any doubt in my mind, this is the sickest helmet ever. Look at this full carbon, the tinted shield, everything looks beautiful, pristine, super good quality. You guys let me know down in the comments if you want me to make a review about this compared to my LS2 Challenger carbon, because those are two carbon helmets. And I also have the SMK carbon helmet too, so you guys let me know if you want to see a review. I will try to make a good video about reviewing all of them side by side, telling you guys what I like and what I do not like about all of them.
Blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. 'Cause anything worth doing is a tough 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you come
Alright guys, as you just seen, I installed the rear wheels. Everything back there is completely taken care of. Over here in the front, if you do recall, we did have some leaking forks. I did order a tool online that's apparently really good for fixing stuff like this. That tool is not in yet, unfortunately. It should be delivered tomorrow. So in the meantime, I just cleaned out as much oil residue as I could find, cleaned out the lower seals over here. And when that tool comes in, I'm gonna try to use it to clean the ones on the inside. In the meantime, I'm gonna throw the wheels on and get this baby on its 2 feet.